The AI revolution is here, and we are currently in the midst of it. It's being used in healthcare, finance, transportation, retail, manufacturing, education, customer service, entertainment, etc. Today, I would like to share with you details about a company called OnPassive, which has just launched. OnPassive is an AI and technology company that is focused on providing AI driven solutions to businesses. OnPassive is the only total internet solution with artificial intelligence applications and tools with a complete ecosystem. OnPassive is marked as the first powerful smart business solution, a one stop shop for all your innovation and technology needs. OnPassive's goal is to keep businesses achieve success by leveraging the power of AI and automation. So let's go into more detail about OnPassive. OnPassive is headed by Mr. Ash Mufareh, who's an entrepreneur and the founder and CEO of OnPassive. He has over 20 years of experience in the technology industry. Mr. Ash Mufareh is known for his expertise in internet marketing, software development, and business management. He has a passion for using technology to solve complex business problems and improve efficiency. Under Mr. Ash Mufareh's leadership, OnPassive has grown into a global company with a team of thousands of employees and members worldwide. The company has very recently launched, but it has already generated a lot of buzz in the industry due to its innovative use of AI and automation. Mr. Mufareh has chosen a very strong leadership team to work with him. So, where are the offices of OnPassive? The company is headquartered in Orlando, in USA. The technology office is in Hyderabad, in India. The company also has the privilege of having its office on the Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world. And in fact, it's on one of the highest floors, floor 151 and 134. It also has an office in Singapore. As the company grows, they also plan to expand to other geographies. Now, OnPassive is a marketing marvel. Under the leadership of Mr. Ash Mufareh, OnPassive had started its marketing as soon as the idea of OnPassive was conceived, even before the products were developed. OnPassive is using a combination of digital marketing channels and referral marketing to promote its products and services around the world. OnPassive's marketing efforts have already generated a lot of interest and excitement amongst businesses and entrepreneurs. OnPassive already has 1.4 million people signed up as founders, resellers, and customers. OnPassive has a strong presence on social media platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, etc. The company regularly posts updates about its products, services, and upcoming events to keep its followers engaged. OnPassive has an extensive email list of subscribers who have expressed interest in the company's products and services. The company uses email marketing campaigns to share updates and promotional offers with its subscribers. Webinars is another medium it uses to market its products. As the product started to take shape, the offices in Dubai were set up and the company started offline marketing in a very big way in Dubai with laser shows in the Burj Khalifa and advertisements all across Dubai. The company launched formally with the World Cup in November of 2022 and advertised massively in association with beIN Sports during the World Cup, with its advertisements being telecast across 128 channels. The company has also recently done something very unusual. They have taken the naming rights of one of the busiest metro stations in Dubai, the Al Safa metro station. It is now called OnPassive Station. Very recently, a collaboration and cooperation agreement was signed by Best Moments, represented by Mr. Omar Al-Dahmani, and OnPassive company represented by engineer Mohammad Kamal in front of a huge audience of statesmen, officials from the Dubai government, celebrities, and members of the media. As a result of this partnership between the two large companies, Best Moment and O Media, the media arm of OnPassive, represented by Professor Susan Al-Kalini, a number of prestigious events and artistic concerts for prominent Arab stars will be planned, assisting Dubai's tourist industry to revive. The company has already launched the first version of its free products, OMail, ONet, and OTrim. OMail is a skillfully designed and universal web mail for businesses capable of managing an unlimited number of mail accounts from various providers, allowing for smart push notifications and group emailing while enabling personalization across multiple email accounts. OMail comes with various visual and technical features, swipe actions and menus, action bars and buttons, colors and themes. As a next-gen mailing tool, it delivers robust capabilities to your team. OMail data centers have top-notch security and surveillance with a reliable 99.9% uptime. OMail's domain-based email has an integrated calendar that automatically syncs your events and updates on the fly. Plan events, invite your contacts, and set reminders with unmatched ease. Setting your calendar has never been this easy, allowing you to find the perfect balance in planning your daily and weekly schedule. AI technology in the domain-based OMail has intelligent features like unlimited storage, online and offline calendar integration, and email synchronization across multiple devices. Moreover, OMail users can create an email, customize it according to their preferences, enable notifications across multiple devices, scheduled emails, etc. OMail strives to provide the best experience to its users worldwide by providing them with the latest updates in the email platform, creating exciting and long-term relationships with the users. The second free product launched by OnPassive is ONET. ONET is a social network that encourages you to connect with communities of individuals who share your interests. It helps you connect with your friends and family and discover new ones with highlights like groups, watch, and marketplace. ONET has reliably evolved with advanced AI technology to fit its users' requirements and attract new ones. You can send images, text, audio, and video content to other users individually or in groups. Businesses can also utilize ONET to send personal messages to customers. ONET also offers focused and targeted advertising opportunities for individuals who want to increase visibility to a targeted group of consumers. ONET offers businesses the advantage of targeted advertisements to reach a broader customer base and bring around brand awareness. With this multiple layer of features, ONET is not just more engaging, but it's highly effective in creating a social network that is more meaningful. ONET is an excellent social media platform for connecting with communities of people who share the same interests as you. With an online chat platform like ONET, you can find friends in multiple ways, including search engines to search for particular individuals and a lot more. ONET also effectively promotes businesses if you want yours to have an impactful presence on social media. So the key features of ONET are, it allows for meaningful discussions and high quality content sharing. The third free product already launched by OnPassive is OTrim. OTrim is a custom URL shortener created by OnPassive. It makes a URL easy to send, share, broadcast, and publicize on social media and on other platforms. The tool is enriched with a unique capacity to shorten the URL link of the given website. The customization of the website URL in OTrim is needed in today's world. We often encounter websites with lengthy link addresses that sometimes get broken and lost in the plethora of website information. Here, OTrim is handy and gets the job done by reducing the long URL into small ones. Also, it offers a smooth transition from one user to another that finally leads to a landing page on social media. OTrim tracks URLs created by registered users and accesses the user's location. It also allows adding an alias name to identify the shortened URL and helps users retrieve the original URL. Furthermore, OTrim provides security for the shortened URL by sending an email authentication for sharing to external users, thereby increasing its efficiency and usage amongst the customer base. The links made by OTrim will never expire, so you don't have to worry about breaking links. All you'll need to do is click on the button when you're on the page you want to turn into a smaller link, then you can copy and paste to where it needs to go. OnPassive ecosystem is a multi-platform hub for business acceleration. This is the one-stop destination to simplify the complexities of business intelligence with AI. The primary mission of this ecosystem is to provide a wide range of AI products and solutions in one single dashboard. From the OnPassive ecosystem, we can access all the products that have already come and which are due to come in the future from OnPassive. So it is a single sign-on system, and you can access all the products from one single dashboard. OConnect, developed by OnPassive, is a high-definition audio and video conferencing tool that provides clarity and quality for visual video conferencing. OConnect provides its users with a dashboard to manage their use of follow-up, attendance, and meeting chat options to improve the user experience. The tool also supports one-click upload and on-demand viewing, which is another notable feature of OConnect. The screenshot option allows users to take screenshots and record what is presented on the platform. OConnect also provides real-time collaboration, allowing users to choose dual screen sharing, making it more efficient. Speech to text is another important feature that uses the application programming interface or API to accurately convert speech to text. The chat emoji is a feature of OConnect that provides an illustrated version of the user's idea. Automatic language translation is a function that makes it easier for users of regional languages to understand foreign languages. The goal of OConnect is to provide a simpler and better way to stay connected in the virtual world. Global connectivity is a current demand. The tool can add participants to the conference without restrictions, as well as dual screen sharing, external link integration, easy invitations, and many other functions. The tool simplifies virtual collaboration in a variety of ways. OConnect provides automatic voice and text services in multiple languages to bridge any vernacular gap between participants. It provides a perfect connection through the unparalleled OConnect, which brings an advantage of enabling AI by OnPassive, thereby improving the result of each virtual meeting in the world. As the world becomes smaller and the distance becomes irrelevant as a limitation. So OConnect provides an unparalleled video conferencing experience. The number of people who can join in a meeting is unlimited. It has been tested so far for as many as 76,000 participants at one time, and it can take on many more. What I really liked about OConnect is that the whiteboard function, if anybody on the Zoom draws something on the whiteboard, the participants can download it straight down from there. And it also has many additional features which make it a real joy to use the product. So these tools are the first OnPassive products in a row. There is a list of 50 plus OnPassive products to be launched. So as on 7 January 2024, OnPassive has 3 free products, OMail, ONet, and OTrim. Click on the link below this video to create your OMail and log into the OnPassive ecosystem. All the other free products would be available there itself. So currently there are 2 trial products available, which is OTracker and OConnect. OTracker is available for a trial of 7 days and OConnect is available for a trial of 14 days. So far, OConnect is the only commercial product and you can buy it. OConnect is available for a free trial for 14 days and you can also buy it. Earlier, it was available for $250 for 3 months, which is $83 per month. Currently, till 31st of January 2024, it is available for a discounted price of $200 for 3 months, which is $67 per month. The price may go up after this date. Now, OnPassive also offers a wonderful affiliate opportunity. So for availing the affiliate opportunity, click on the link below and create your OMail, then log into the OnPassive ecosystem. On the top, you will find Become an Affiliate. Click on that and sign the non-disclosure agreement or NDA. Then you will see your affiliate link on top and also on the left under My Links. You can use any of these links and share with others. And if they sign up using your affiliate link, they will be signed up permanently under you. So currently the only product on which you can earn an affiliate income is OConnect, and more products are coming soon. So with OConnect, you will earn 100% commission on the first sale and 25% commission on subsequent sale. So just by getting one customer, your OConnect will be paid for, and from second customer onwards, you will start making profits. It's a great compensation plan where just by making one sale, you recover your investment in the product. So soon more products will be coming, and it may be that the compensation plan of others are different. I hope that you found this video helpful. Ready to jump in? If someone sent you this video, connect with them for your affiliate link. Or if you're ready to join forces with me, Find my affiliate link in the description below. At the end of this video, I'm sharing a short clip about OnPassive's achievements in 2023, which has set up the pace for OnPassive to win really big in 2024. Watch the clip till the end. Bye for now.
The next station is OnPassive.